Hello, my name is Estella, and today I will be talking about the elements rhodium, niobium, and neodymium. Rhodium. Basic facts. Rhodium has the atomic number of 45 and the atomic mass of 102.906. It is a member of the platinum metals group and is a silvery white element with low density. It belongs to the element family of transition metals. Interesting facts. Rhodium is one of the rarest elements, and because it is so rare, it is scarcely used. Rhodium flashing is the process of electroplating white or platinum with a reflective coating. This is used in jewelry making. Another process it is used in would be the coating of silver to prevent tarnishing. Its discovery. Rhodium was discovered in 1803 by William Hyde Wollaston. He discovered it after his discovery of palladium. He got rhodium from a sample of platinum ore from South America. After removing the platinum and palladium, he found a dark red powder. Rhodium gets its name from the Greek word rose, which is rhodon. William Hyde Wollaston suggested it be called rhodium because of its rose-like color. Properties. Rhodium is a silver-white metal with the special properties of high electrical and heat conductivity. Heat and electricity can pass through rhodium very easily. It is tin white, hard, and cool with a metallic luster. Its hardness is of 3.5, just like a copper penny. Its density is 12.4 grams per cubic centimeter. Rhodium is a solid in room temperature. Its melting point is 3,567 degrees Fahrenheit or 1,964 degrees Celsius. Its boiling point is 6,683 degrees Fahrenheit or 6,695 degrees Celsius. Rhodium is inactive unless attacked by strong acids. It slowly combines with oxygen when heated in the air. When it is very hot, it reacts to chlorine or bromine. However, it does not react with fluorine. Fluorine reacts with nearly every other element. Where it can be found and how it is used. It can be found uncombined in nature along with other platinum metals. It can range from the river sands in North and South America to the copper-nickel sulfide ores of Ontario, Canada. It is used to make fusions with other metals. These fusions are then used for specialized industrial purposes and in jewelry. Rhodium is also used to make catalytic converters designed to clean vehicle emissions. Without these catalysts, the air quality would be much worse due to vehicle exhausts. It is also used in the fusion used to make an oxidation-resistant metal that can resist high temperatures. Common compounds it is found in. There are many compounds in which rhodium can be found in. For example, there is rhodium chloride trihydrate with the formula of Cl3H6O3RH. It is a red to black powder. Then there is rhodium acetate dimer with the formula of CH212O8RH2, that is green crystals or crystalline powder. Another one would be rhodium oxide with the formula of O3RH2. These are deep red crystals. Niobium. Basic facts. Niobium has the atomic number of 41. It is in group number 5 and is in period 5. Its electron configuration is Kr4d4 5s1. Its atomic number is 41 and its atomic mass is 92.90. It is a transition metal. Interesting facts. In 1801, a new element was discovered in a sample of the ore columbite by Charles Hatchett, therefore naming it columbium. However, in 1846, Heinrich Rose discovered that tantalum ore had a second element in it and named it niobium. 20 years later, after a series of experiments, it was found that columbium and niobium were the same thing. Both names were used until 1949 when niobium was made its official name. Its discovery. Niobium was originally discovered in 1801, but it can be argued that it was also discovered in 1846. Charles Hatchett discovered it in 1801 and Heinrich Rose in 1846. The word niobium comes from the Greek name Niobe, who is the daughter of Tantalus in Greek mythology. It is named like that because tantalum is closely related to niobium. Properties. Niobium turns bluish when exposed to room temperature for too long. It is shiny white, soft, and a ductile metal. Niobium has a bright metallic luster. It is ductile, malleable, and highly resistant to corrosion. Its density is 8.57, and its phase in room temperature is solid. Its melting point is 2,477 degrees Celsius, and its boiling point is 4,744 degrees Celsius. Niobium has a body-centered cubic crystalline structure, and it resembles tantalum in its chemical and physical properties, as to be in a protective atmosphere when being processed in all temperatures. Niobium tends to react with oxygen, carbon, halogens, nitrogen, and sulfur. It is inert to acids, but is attacked by hot, concentrated acids, and especially by alkalis and oxidizing agents. Where it can be found and how it is used. Niobium is found in niobite, tantalite, pyrochlore, and euxenite. Large amounts of it have been found with carbon, silicate rocks, carbonites. Ore reserves are found in Canada, Brazil, Nigeria, Zaire, and in Russia. Niobium alloys are very strong and used in the construction of pipelines. It is also used in superalloys for jet engines and heat-resistant equipment. Niobium is also very useful in jewelry. Niobium can be found in many compounds. Three common ores are niobium oxide with the formula of Nb2O3, niobium sulfate with the formula of Nb2 SO4 3, and niobium 5 phosphate with the formula of Nb3 PO4 5. Neodymium. Basic facts. Neodymium has an atomic number of 60. It belongs to the lanthanides group. It is in period 6 and block F. Its electron configuration is 4f46s2, and its atomic mass is 144.242. Its atomic number is 60, and its atomic mass is 144.242. Interesting facts. Neodymium was discovered at the same time praseodymium was found. Neodymium is a rare earth metal and has never been found in its free form in nature. However, it is as prevalent in Earth's crust as nickel, copper, and cobalt. Neodymium is one of the most reactive of rare earth metals, making it quick to oxidize in the air. It produces one of the strongest permanent magnets known to exist when it is alloyed with iron and boron. Its discovery. It was discovered in 1885 by Carl Aru von Welsbach. Neodymium comes from the Greek neos Neodymium, which means new twin. It is named so because it reflects its close association with Neodymium. Properties. When exposed to air, neodymium creates a flaky oxide coating. Unlike many others, it does not protect it from further oxidation. Neodymium is a soft, bright silvery white metal with a silvery metallic luster. Its density is 7.01 centimeters to the third power, and its phase in room temperature is a solid. Its melting point is 1021 degrees Celsius, and its boiling point is 3074 degrees Celsius. Neodymium reacts slowly with cold water and quickly with hot. It can be found in houses, in equipment like colored televisions, fluorescent lamps, energy-saving lamps, and glasses. Where it can be found and how it is used. Its top 3 producers would be China, Russia, and Malaysia. Its top 3 reserve holders are China, CIS countries, including Russia, and the US. Neodymium is used with iron and boron to create powerful permanent magnets, also called NIB magnets. The NIB magnets are used in computers, cell phones, medical equipment, toys, motors, wind turbines, and audio systems. In lasers, neodymium is used as a crystal. These lasers are used in many ways. For example, they are used in medicine to treat skin for cancer, for laser hair removal, and they are used to cut and wield steel. Neodymium salts are even used to color glasses and enamels. Common compounds it is found in. Neodymium can be found in many different compounds. 3 examples would be neodymium oxide with the formula 2D2O3, neodymium selenide with the formula of Nd2Se3, and neodymium hydroxide with the formula of Nd(OH3). Thank you for joining me tonight, and I hope you learned something about rhodium, niobium, and neodymium. Thank you.